Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 GMC Acadia. Stock number is A7307. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Taking a look inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Acadia is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.